So you'd like to know how to get rid of residue from grouted mosaics? Well, you're in the right place. I'm Helen Miles and I'm here to give you all the tips and tricks you need to make mosaics. First of all, I'll explain what I mean by grout residue. After you've grouted your mosaic, and I've done a separate video about how to grout, that will pop up now, you need to clean the surface. And sometimes after you've cleaned it, you're left with a residue. Here's a little sample mosaic to illustrate what I mean. So you can see a kind of smear of grout on the surface, a kind of dirty glaze over the mosaic. So it's been grouted, it's dry, and now you're left with that smear. And that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. We're going to start off by grouting together. I'll just put this on fast motion, or whatever it's called, so that you don't have to watch the whole process in painstakingly real time. This is a mosaic made on Jacco board with ceramic and glass. So that's deliberate, because I want you to see how both ceramic is cleaned up after grouting and glass. There are three main ways to get rid of the residue after you've grouted a mosaic. So I'm going to be showing you those as the video develops. I'm also going to show you a handy tip for getting rid of dried glue on the front of tiles that a student showed me recently. In order to do that, I'll need to put some glue on the front of the tiles. So the glue I'm going to put on is this Titebond 2 premium wood glue, which I'm always singing the praises of. It's a very strong glue, and if I put it on the black, it will be very clear where the glue is. So let's put a big dollop on here, and maybe a little subtler bits over there. And normally when we get glue on the front of our tiles, maybe we don't put so much on. It tends to be just little bits. So I'm going to take some of that off. So it's more realistic, if you see what I mean. It's more like you might just get a little bit on as you're working. So I'm going to wait for that to dry. Now the glue has dried, I hope you can see it there and there. And the thing about glue when it dries is, of course, it largely disappears. So it can be a problem when you're working and you've got little bits that you don't really notice, and then it dries, it disappears, then you grout, and then that will show up as a milky film. So what you need is a one-sided razor blade. So you're holding it on the one side and you're going to gently chip away at the glue, and you can see it coming off. I can't see what you see, so but I think you'll be able to see this. Yeah, so you just get the blade under the glue and it comes off. A quick run through of what you need when you're grouting. You need your grout. I am using Bal Micromax cement coloured. A bowl to mix it. A dust mask, that's really important. It's something I never don't do. Water and a mixing tool. So I'm just going to use one of these spatulas. I have it all nicely mixed up now. Soft, but not too soft. No water sitting on the top. Kind of like thick, not thick cream. I always say peanut butter, and I think that's the best description. Smooth peanut butter. And I have a spreader. So I've already let this sit for a few minutes. It doesn't take long, but after you've mixed it really thoroughly, let it just sit for 3 or 4 minutes. And I'm going to now spread it and grout this mosaic. I've scraped away all the excess grout. So there's nothing really left on the surface that I can catch by scraping. So now's the time to clean it with a sponge. So what I've done, this is a sponge which is wet, but I've squeezed all the excess water out of it, and all the details of the grouting process are over on my other video. And I'm just going to wipe one clean side across the mosaic, turn it over, use another clean side, and then I can use the thick sides on this builder's sponge. Now that's it done. I'm not going to keep wiping. I'm not going to keep trying to get all the residue off at this stage. You can see how there's still smears of residue. It's still not quite clean. So what I need to do at this stage is just leave that on one side to dry. I would say about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It depends on where you live and what the temperature is like. Maybe definitely much faster if you live somewhere warmer. This mosaic has been grouted quite some time ago. To be honest, it was a few months. And as you can see, it's got residue on the surface. It's quite dirty. All you have to do once the residue has dried is get a nice clean rag, this is an old cotton shirt, and rub it hard. Really hard. I think you'll agree that that's much cleaner. So most of the residue has come off, but it's not quite clean enough. And I've rubbed these 2 yellow ceramic ones really hard, and there's still dirt on them. And still there's a bit of muckiness generally. It's not nearly as bad as it was, but it's not clean enough. If this was an important mosaic, what I'd next do is take a nice stiff brush. You see, these are plastic bristles and it's very stiff. And I'd wet it just with water and give it a real scrub. And so that's the next stage I would do to get rid of this. But because I don't want this to be wet, to show you the third stage, I'm not actually going to do that. But I do recommend you get a good stiff brush. They're quite hard to find, weirdly. And I do use a curry comb as well. One of those brushes that you use for horses. They're good for the job. Your next line of attack, your third line, after you've rubbed and scrubbed, is to use alcohol. So this is 99% isopropanal alcohol for cleaning. So let's put some of that on the rag and give it a good rub again. Yep, that's definitely had an impact. So that's it for an old mosaic that's grouted a few hours or days or weeks ahead. Well, first of all, you have to wipe it after you've grouted it. Then you can scrub it when it's dried. Then you can rub it when it's dried. And then you can try alcohol. Now we're going back to our original mosaic, which is freshly grouted and only had about 10 or 15 minutes to sit. Again, a clean rag, and I'm just going to rub it. So let's actually choose a place where you can see the residue clearly. So it's on this green glass leaf and it's on the ceramic. Even though the mosaic is fairly recently grouted, I'm putting quite a lot of strength into this rubbing. I'm not doing it particularly gently. And with glass, it comes off a lot easier than it does with ceramic. With glass, you don't have a problem at all. Just a rub and you'll be fine. There you have it, how to get grout residue off the surface of your mosaics. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, then please subscribe below. Thank you.